titles and thumbnail are like husband and wife. Oh.
Husband and wife. As in title and thumbnail, husband and wife. Not boyfriend and girlfriend.
Boyfriend and girlfriend that will still scatter. Husband and wife, like this, they want to have children. They cannot separate.
My videos are not getting views. Oh. My videos are not getting views. Madam Shabera.
What is it?
I don't understand. See, I've done everything you asked me to do. Look at it, it's not getting view. I'm not getting it, and I'm uploading day and night. I'm uploading consistently, just like you said now. I've been doing everything. People don't like me.
What is the title of your video? What is the title?
Look at this. Look at the title now. Look at the title now.
What kind of thumbnail is this one? Now your grandpapa you put here.
My grandpapa.
The thumbnail doesn't shine at all.
You didn't know what I did to get the thumbnail. I suffer like this. I suffer. It's not easy for me. Look at, I tried now.
And what is this your title? My YouTube journey episode 10.
Yes, now.
Take. That is why. See that is why your videos are not getting views. For your videos to get views on YouTube, you need to learn how to twist your titles and thumbnail. Make them look
twisted.
Yes, turn it. Make them look very attractive, emotional, and curious. See, for people to view your video, you need to put something that will force them to click on your video.
As I will twist it.
Twisting your title does not mean you should put misleading title, like placing a title that is different from what is on your video.
But what I did there, look at all the work I did. Look at the thumbnail now. We always talk about them. Look at the thumbnail.
See, as a small creator, you are still new on YouTube. People don't know you. For people to know you, you need to create thumbnail that will get them to click on your video. If nobody click on your video, everything you prepare inside that video na waste. So you will make people to click on that video. Then how do you get people to click on that video?
As in, I'll call them, I'll tell somebody, help me.
Your titles and thumbnail will make them click. When they see it very, very attractive, they will click on your video.
How can I get the right title? How will I get the right title?
It's not that you are talking. See, let me tell you. The moment after you have edited your video, save it on your gallery. Don't upload it. Take the title that you want to use. Let's say you created a video on how to prepare orange juice. Take that title to YouTube search bar. You know where YouTube search bar? Yes, this arrow here, this place here. Take that your title, place it there, type it there, then search it. YouTube will generate videos that have treated that topic. All the videos that have treated that topic. You will see the ones that get thousands and millions of views. Those ones has proven that those titles and thumbnails are clickable.
Okay, I'll take those ones like that and come and place them.
No, and let me tell you, don't take from bigger YouTubers. So because those ones anything they upload will get view. Even if they are brushing your teeth like this, they will get view. They are combing their hair, they will get view. Take some people that have 5,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, those ones, and they did that same video that you did. They did now go viral. Like they got 50,000 views, 30,000 views, 20,000 views, even if it's 10,000 views. Take those titles. Use the title for your own video. And create thumbnail that look like that their own. Do you know why? The titles and thumbnail have proven to get click. That means that title attracts people to click on that video. That thumbnail attracts you to click on that video. Titles and thumbnail are like husband and wife.
Husband and wife. As in title and thumbnail, husband and wife. Not boyfriend and girlfriend.
Boyfriend and girlfriend that will still scatter. Husband and wife, like this, they want to have children. They cannot separate. See, the moment you upload your video have 24 hours to 48 hours, so either die or go viral.
Either die or go viral.
When your video no get view again, that means say the thing don die now. The video don die. So you go need to use titles and thumbnail that keep people, that attract people, that is calling people click me, click me, click me, click me, click me. That's the kind of title you use. to get views. So that is why you need to use something that is curious on your title.
Something that is curious.
That is shouting. That is what you use as your title.
Oh my, when you tell say curious.
Something that is suspense. It's like when I say how to get 1,000 subscribers 2026 strategy. If I see it like this, I will say, is there another strategy they can use to get 1,000 subscribers? Yes. You understand? You can say 2026 strategy, my newest method, or my secret method. That way we get through. People will say, is there another way they can get 1,000 subscribers except doing video? The person want to click on it.
What will I really do now?
You go back, do what I asked you to do now. This your video, how to bake cake. Go to YouTube search bar, go and put how to bake cake. YouTube will bring a topic that talk about cake. Then you take the ones that sound objects, secret, all those words, you use them as your title. Then you use very good thumbnail. This your thumbnail dey like your grandpapa. Your grandpapa na native doctor.
This one I suffer, wallahi I suffer gone to get this one.
You take picture that is very very clear, bold. Your write up here is too tiny, people cannot read it. You use write up that is very very bold. Yes, so that people will see it. Even if they use small phone like this, do like this, they will see what you write on your thumbnail. You do thumbnail that attract people. To get view on YouTube no be magical, no be luck. You need to make sure that these two things work together. Your thumbnails and titles. As a small creator, you need it too much. You need it more than anything. Create thumbnail that is very bright, bold. Titles that is very very searchable. Something that people are struggling with. This is the kind of title you use to get views on YouTube. So I hope you have learned something from this very episode.
I've really learned something.
So check us here back. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Share this video to get to others. So see you when next will come.
Thank you very much.